June 11th, Winston-Salem, RWA. Rico de la Vega returns. And not just returning just to return. I'm returning for one specific reason. And that's for the first annual Buddy Landel Memorial Battle Royal. While it is a privilege to be part of it, it's even going to be a better privilege when I win it all. Because on one side of the ring you have Rico de la Vega, the cartel kingpin. And on the other side you have this payaso, that idiota, ese estúpido, ese imbécil. You're starting to get the picture. So, come this Sunday, June 11th, Rico de la Vega has a battle royal to win. And until I see you then, ay bendito. Don't worry about it. I'll talk to you on Sunday. Hasta luego.